Got hunger cravings? It is not your fault. The nutrition industry is hopelessly broken. Instead of helping people improve their health and overall physical appearance, the world is filled with myths, scams, and flat-out lies. If you're one of the millions of people who follow all the nutrition rules outlined by health and fitness gurus, but still carry excess fat, what you need is a customized plan for your body, situation, goals, and taste buds. That's why we created the Custom Keto Diet Plan. Your custom plan will help you significantly increase fat burning, reduce hunger cravings, lose weight like clockwork. So, how much fat do you want to lose? We know money is tight. So for a limited time, we have drastically reduced our price by more than 95%. Increase fat burning, reduce hunger cravings. Get your 8-week custom keto diet plan. I don't know how long we can keep the price so low. So get your custom plan today. mentoringyou.org/custom-keto